back to Max with RP. Today we are going to explore more properties of matrices. In particular, we are going to explore about transpose of a matrix and what properties does the transpose of a matrix satisfy. So you are given two matrices and you are going to verify. I want to first tell you that transpose is written in two ways. Okay, we use this symbol or dash. Both represents transpose. So you should not be confused. It's just a matter of notation. So here you are given two matrices. You are going to verify whether AB transpose is B transpose A transpose. See, as far matrices is concerned, for many of the properties, giving proofs is beyond the scope of the curriculum. So by verification and by restating, we will take certain facts or certain properties as facts and proceed with the problem solving. Now look at this. AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. We are going to verify for A equal to -1, 2, 3 and B equal to -2, -1, 4. So what is the order of this matrix? 3 rows and 1 column. What is the order of this matrix? 1 row and 3 column. Okay. So AB will be of order 3 by 3. Multiplication is defined because number of columns of the first one is equal to number of rows of the second one. And the product will be of order 3 by 3. So AB will be of order 3 by 3. So AB, what will be the first element? A11. So A11 means first row with first column. So -1 into -2 is 2. A12 is first row with second column. So which is 1. -1 into 4, -4. Second row, what is this element? What is the position of this element? A21. Second row, first column. So second row, first column. So 2 into -2, -4. Second row, second column, -2. 2 into 4, 8. Then, what is this element? This element is third row, first column. So, 3 into -2, -6. 3 into -1, -3. 3 into 4, 12. So, -1 into -2, 2. -1 into -1, 1. -1 into 4, -4. 2 into -2, -4. 2 into -1, -2. 2 into 4, 8. 3 into -2, -6. 3 into -1 is -3. And 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. So this is AB. So what is AB transpose? So AB transpose will be, how do you find transpose of a matrix? By interchanging the rows and columns. So 2, -4, -6, 1, -2, -3, -4, 8 and 12. This is AB transpose. Now, we have to check whether this is the same as B transpose A transpose. What is it that we have to verify? Whether B transpose A transpose is equal to this. Now, what is B transpose? Now, B transpose will be, what is B transpose? -2, -1, 4. What is A transpose? What is A transpose? It becomes a row. So it will be minus 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I have written the transpose of B and A. Now what will be B transpose, A transpose? B transpose, A transpose will be minus 2, minus 1, 4 into minus 1, 2, 3. Now, is this a multiplication defined? This is 3 by, what is the order of this? 3 rows and 1 column. This is 1 row and 3 columns. So, these two are same. The resulting matrix will be of order 3 by 3. So, the product will be 3 by 3. First element, first A1, 1. So, first row, first column, 2. Then minus 2 into 2, minus 4, this is A11, this is A12. A12 will be minus 2 into 2, minus 4, correct. Then A13 will be minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Then A21 will be minus 1 into minus 1, 1. A22 will be minus 2. A23 will be minus 3. A31 will be minus 4, 8, 12. So minus 2 into minus 1, 2, minus 4, minus 6, 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, 8 and 12. But this is B transpose, A transpose. Is it same as AB transpose? This is our AB transpose. This is your B transpose, A transpose. What do you observe? 2 minus 4 minus 6, 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 4, 8, 12. So 1 equal to 2. So we have proved, verified that AB transpose equal to B transpose, A transpose. You can give your own examples of A and B, but ensure that the multiplication is well defined, and please verify whether you get this result AB transpose equal to B transpose, A transpose. We are also going to verify some more properties, whether A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Now, A transpose is given. So, what will be A? A will be 3 minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1. So, what is given is A transpose. So, from that I am defining A. What is B? B will be minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now, we have to find out what is A plus B transpose. So, A plus B will be, how do you add two matrices? Term by term. They should be of the same order. Only then you can add. You can see that they are of the same order. 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 by 3. So, term by term addition. So, 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 1. This is A plus B. Okay. Now, A dash equal to, what will be A dash? Transpose of A, right? Or A transpose. A transpose is what is given. Okay. Now, what is B transpose? See, A transpose is given. So, what we are doing is, I have found A and I found B. B is given and then I found A plus B. Now, we have to find A plus B transpose. So, first let me find A plus B transpose. A plus B transpose will be See, this is what I have to, this is the first row, so the first column will be 2, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. Now we have to verify whether it is A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose we have. What is B transpose? B is given, no? B transpose will be -1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So we have A plus B transpose on one side. Now let us find what is A transpose plus B transpose. It will be 3, 4, -1, 2, 0, 1 plus -1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. So when I add, what will I get? They have the same order, so addition is possible. So when I add, what will I get? 3 minus 1, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, -1 plus 2, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So you can see 1 equal to 2. So A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Similarly, you can verify A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. I'm going to leave that as an exercise for you. Very simple. Find out A minus B, take the transpose. Then look at A transpose, which is already given. Find B transpose and subtract it from A transpose and verify whether both of them are same. Okay, so now we are coming to a very, very important topic or type of matrices. We are going to see a kind of matrix which is called as a symmetric matrix. If A equal to A transpose, A is called as a symmetric matrix. And for a square matrix, if A equal to A transpose, we call it as a symmetric matrix. If then we have what is called as skew symmetric matrix. If A equal to minus A transpose, we call the square matrix as a skew symmetric matrix. A is called skew symmetric. So we are going to now construct, I am going to give you some examples. And I also teach you how you can make your own example. Okay, let me take a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so I am going to fill up one side of the diagonal. 1, 2, -3. And then I am going to fill up 4, -7, 3. So this is the diagonal and I filled the one side of the diagonal. So you have A11 equal to 1, A21 equal to 4, A22 equal to 2, A31 equal to -7, A32 is 3 and then A33 equal to -3. So what is it I need to find? What is this element? Let me use another color. What is this element? This element is A12. Now, because A equal to A transpose, Aij will be same as Aj. So A12 will be the same as A21. What is A21? 4. Now this is what A13. A13 is same as A31 because A is equal to A transpose. What is A31? Minus 7. Now, what is this element? This is second row, third column, 2, 3. A23 is the same as A32, which is 3. So, if A equal to A transpose, we have Aij will be equal to Aji. In this case, Aij will be equal to minus Aji for a skew symmetric matrix. So, this is an example of a symmetric matrix. Are you able to understand how to make the element? If I know some of them, then I can find the other. If I know one side of the triangle, so this is like a triangle. If I know one side of the triangle, then I can fill the other triangle because I know Aij is same as Aji. Okay. Now, let us make a skew symmetric matrix. I am going to give you an example of a skew symmetric matrix. But before that, maybe we can even finish off this sum. Prove that A plus A transpose is symmetric. Now, A plus A transpose will be, for the given problem, 4, 1, 5, 8, 4, 1, 5, 8 plus A transpose is 4, 5, 1, 8, which is 8, 6, 6, 16. What is A plus A transpose? A is 4, 1, 5, 8. A transpose is 4, 5, 1, 8. Now, A plus A transpose will be 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 8 plus 8, 16. Now, what will be, the question is whether this is symmetric. So, this is, let me call it as X. Now, what is X transpose? X transpose will be 8, 6, 6, 16. So, X equal to X transpose, therefore, X is symmetric. What is X? X is nothing but A plus A transpose. So, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, which is what we were asked to verify. Now, we have to show that A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Before that, let me help you make an example of a skew symmetric matrix. What is a skew symmetric matrix? A equal to minus A transpose. So, Aij will become minus Aji. So, first what happen to elements of this kind? The diagonal elements of, how do you write the diagonal elements? Suppose you have a 3 by 3 matrix. What are the diagonal elements? A11, A22, A33. So, Ai will be minus A, interchange it, Ii. Ajj will be minus Ajj. When can this happen? Akk will be equal to minus Akk. Okay, I am just writing all the, in particular if you have 3 by 3, A11 is minus A11, A22 equal to minus A22, A33 equal to minus A33. Now, when can this be true? If I add, what will I get? 2 times A11 is 0, which means A11 is 0. This means what? A22 is 0. Because we have bring it to this side. If I bring it to this side, 2 times A33 is 0. So, A33 equal to 0. So, in a skew, very important property, in a skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements are 0. diagonal elements are 0. So now shall we make an example of a skew symmetric matrix? So first let me fix the diagonal elements 0, 0, 0. Okay, then let me fill these elements 1, minus 4, minus 13, right? So I have filled one side of the triangle. Now I am going to fill it with the other side. So what is this element? A, 2, 1. But what it's a skew symmetric matrix, so A21 will be minus A12. A12 we already know, right? What is A12? This is A12. So minus A21 is minus A12. So this is minus 1. Now A31 will be minus A13. Which is A13? This is first row, third column. So this is A13. So minus A13 will be 4. What is this? This is A32. Will be minus A23. What is A23? This is the second row, third column, minus. So if you take minus A23, it will become 13. So this is an example of a skew symmetric matrix. If you take the transpose, you will see it is minus. Suppose this, let me call this as say y. Then you will find that y transpose is equal to minus y. If I take y transpose, what will I get? Y transpose will be 0, minus 1, 4, 1, 0, 13, minus 4, minus 13, 0. Is it minus y? So what will be minus y? This is your y, 0, minus y, minus 1, minus 4 has become 4, minus 1 has become 1, 0, minus 13 is 13. So you can see y transpose is equal to minus y. Then y is a skew symmetric matrix. Now we are going to show the given matrix A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. So I am going to remove all this. I hope you have internalized that in a skew symmetric matrix, all the diagonal elements are 0. Now let us look at this, the given problem. In the given problem, A equal to 1, 4, 3, 7. Given. Okay. You have to prove A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. That means it's transpose. Let me call it as X. We have to prove that X equal to minus X transpose. A equal to minus A transpose to call a matrix as skew symmetric. I am calling this A minus A transpose as X. Now what is it I have to prove? I have to prove X equal to minus X transpose. So what is A minus A transpose? A minus A transpose will be 1437 minus 1347, which will be 1 minus 1, 0, 4 minus 3, 1, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 7 minus 7, 0. 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So this is my what? X. Now this is X. So what will be X transpose? X transpose will be 0, minus 1, 1, 0. What will be minus X transpose? Minus X transpose will be 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So, is our X, what is our X? X equal to this. So, is X equal to minus X transpose? This is your minus X transpose and this is your X. You can see that X is equal to minus X transpose. Therefore, what sort of matrix is A minus A transpose? A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So, what is a symmetric matrix? If A equal to a square matrix A, which is such that A equal to A transpose. If I interchange the rows and columns, the matrix does not change. What is a skew symmetric matrix? If A transpose is equal to minus A, if I take the transpose, I get minus A. Then I call such a matrix as skew symmetric. What are the properties of skew symmetric matrix? All the diagonal elements are 0. A11, A22, A33, etc. are 0. So for what value of X is this matrix as skew symmetric matrix? So we'll call this matrix is called as A 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, X minus 3, 0. So what is X? What is by its virtue of its position? It is in the third row, first column. Now, what sort of matrix is A? Skew symmetric. So, A equal to minus A transpose. So, A31 is minus A13, which is, what is A13? First row, third column. This is A13. So, minus A13 will be 2. Therefore, X, what is X? X is by virtue of its position A31. Okay. But A31 equal to minus A13 because what sort of matrix is A? A is skew symmetric. Okay. Now, what is A13? Minus 2. So, a minus of A13 will be plus 2. Therefore, the value of X is 2. When X is 2, this matrix turns out to be a skew symmetric matrix. So, is it clear? Are you able to follow what I have been teaching so far? I hope you enjoyed this session on symmetric and skew symmetric. We have just touched upon the topic. We have just seen a few examples, like how you can make your own example of a symmetric or a skew symmetric matrix, and some of the properties of transpose. A plus B transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. A minus B transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. AB transpose we verified as B transpose A transpose. Please remember the order, because order is important. Why? Because matrix multiplication is not commutative. So AB transpose is B transpose A transpose. So these are some of the things that we verified. Then as far as symmetric and skew symmetric is concerned, we also saw the definition A equal to A transpose for symmetric, which means Aij is same as Aj. For a skew symmetric, Aij is minus Aj. And most importantly, in a skew symmetric matrix, since Aii equal to minus Aii, the diagonal elements will be 0. A11 is minus A11. When can that be true? Only if A11 is 0. So, all the diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. So, please internalize all these new concepts. Please come up with your own examples. Go through the video again and again until you are able to follow. and every step and every property that we have discussed today. So until we meet next time, it's goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share this with your friends if you found this channel to be useful. Thank you.